What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is March the 13th of March. And I am doing a little quick unboxing from my guy from Amazon. And I want y'all to see what it is real quick. I feel like it's something I need for this coming up event. And I want y'all to see what it is. One of them, and the other one is just a product probably. So let's see. Remember, very handy. Can't cut yourself, but you go cut the box. Let's see what we got in the box. Let's see. Rub-On. The power of a dryer, precision of a stylist. Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. Because I like to get my hair straight sometimes, so I needed something more convenient. So this right here, I got this right here, because that way I could just go through my hair and it was straightened as it dries and styles at the same time in one. I got another one, but I wanted to upgrade it, and it also is say tangle free. So I want to test this out. So I will let you know how this one go, and let you see how my hair might be after this. You know what I mean? Next thing, it's a WL P.O. It's a phone accessory, capture a special moment with WLP PREOE. So this right here is a device where I can link it up, put it and strap it up to my chest, so I don't have to hold the phone anymore to be able to do, recording stuff for y'all. I have two of them, So let's open it up and see what it looks like. They have the instructions. They have the instructions in here. How to put it, assemble it for the head mount if I want to do it for the head. They got one for the chest mount. It got the setup for the chest mount, and it said they got the instruction for the phone layard. So I guess when I put it out, I can have it laid out so I can still see it and you can see in front of me. So that's the one I want. I want the phone layard because I want to still be able to see y'all and talk to y'all. And hopefully I get this set up before Saturday, so when I do the Spartan, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So let's see if we got all the stuff with it. Got the strap. That one right here must be for the head. Yeah, that one for the head. That one for the head. Oh yeah. Purple man. This one right here is for the chest. Also, I look like I could actually line this one up. I can line this one up so I can make it fit as I lay it down, so you can see in front of me and I can still see it. So I will have to down with it and see how it is, and let y'all see how it goes. And if it works out good, most of the time when I start doing my more lives, y'all be able to see more of the front of me and stuff like that. Even when I might ride my motorcycle, I probably could do it like that, so you can see. So you can see if I look, whatever, you might get a better view. I don't know. Or I might put it on my back so I can watch my back. I don't know. But we'll see what's going to go on. But this is what I have. I got two of these. And if I like one, I might do a giveaway for the other one. And just see if anybody this for people who have an iPhone. I think it's for people with an iPhone. But till next time, remember, do stuff at your own pace. On moderation, stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll holla. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee.